Hey guys, we're here with the Saver sisters, Mrs. Allison. And her son, Yung Dak.
Don't love me like you used to do before. You don't love me anymore. In the night you shut the door. You've been on my mind all night.
Allison, tell me about your channel a little bit, and what are some of you guys' goals in what you're doing?
Well, the Saver Sisters started because my sister and I had been apart for several years, about 7 years. We wanted to reunite. And so we reunited over good food because we're Italian. And as the Instagram account has grown and publicity has grown, we've decided that we want to give back. So 100% of what we ever make off of this or do or earn is going to go back to food banks, basically to put food on people's tables.
Sure. Yung Dak, you are a rapper,
yes,
hip hop artist. You're producing your own music. How long have you been doing that, man?
So I started this in March 2018. I've been doing it just about a year now. And one day I was just thinking, I was like, it would be so cool to be up on stage, be one of those performers who would do that. And I love, music. It's one of my favorite things. And one day I connected with one of my friends that I knew from, online, just playing games. And we connected, started doing stuff, and it kind of just happened from there.
Sweet. Okay, we're gonna see if we can make an Instagram-worthy, ridiculous filet mignon and lobster calzone. Never been done. First time right here, baby.
So is this like the most fun for you to cook dishes like this?
Yes, it's fun.
Out of the blue and just kind of make it happen?
Long for a deeper connection with people, and food is my way to do that,
I think it's great because both food and music, what he's doing, are ways people can come together.
Okay, so we're gonna cut this up, a little bit of salt. We'll go pepper right in there. Hot pan. While that's cooking, we're gonna cut these puppies right in half.
So I've never had lobster, so you were going to be setting the standard.
This could be a huge fail, by the way. I don't have a backup plan. We got him. Yung Dak. Burning Yung Dak, baby.
I'm on fire. There you go.
He's on fire, boy.
I spit fire, I make fire,
That's right.
and I cook fire. There you go.
A little bit of salt. A true Renaissance man. Ladies,
That's right.
He told me earlier that he is looking to get married early.
Mama has to approve, though, ladies.
Yes.
Mama has to approve big time.
I didn't know you before today.
I didn't know.
And now we're cooking.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So
Okay.
we talk a lot about passion in our family and about not so much doing something to make money or doing something to get everybody else's approval, but to do something because you're passionate about it. And if you're truly passionate, then it will become successful for you.
This is where it's going to get stupid.
Okay.
We have our steak lobster, we have our ricotta cheese, our ricotta cheese, we have our shredded mozzarella, we have a pecorino romano grated, right?
We don't want to say anything.
Okay,
so a little bit of ricotta down first.
Don't love me like you used to do before. You don't love me
This is seriously
anymore.
crazy. Richie, you know this is crazy. You know this is
Been on
crazy.
my mind all night, think about you all the time. It's a problem, don't know how to solve them. It's not right. Come back to me, I don't fight. I can't get free till death we meet. You were so sweet, felt it in my feet. It's a heartbeat. This a love song. I'm without you, but I feel wrong. Don't know what
Okay,
to
so
do.
it looks like our oil is up to 10.
Okay.
We're gonna go right in.
Let's get in that.
Watch the sunrise in the nighttime, coming from my grind and I might
See
shine.
here?
Yeah. Give me a sign and I'll
All right, we're looking good.
looking out the window, watching like the snow.
I'm so excited, aren't you?
It's a new tear. Everybody cries sometimes, make the stars align.
my gosh! The most decadent calzone you'll ever eat. Filet mignon, lobster tail, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese, pecorino romano, and we cooked it in the most traditional Neapolitan fashion in frying. Would I do it again? No. Am I gonna enjoy the heck out of it today? Yes.